Hi, this is Jing. Welcome to meditation, Union of Three Hearts. This is our session 5, and in this session, I will share you the last step in this meditation. The last step, the third step. We will bring our awareness to Niwan. Remember in step 2, the qi goes up, hold for a while, goes down, and keep repeating that. Now, in third step, you only bring all of your awareness to Niwan, under Bai Hui, behind third eye in your Niwan. You visualize your Niwan like that. Full of qi, come to Niwan. From there, from Niwan, you merge with the universe. The universe come to you, to your Niwan. Qi also from Niwan expand to merge with the universe. Always connect the third step with step 1 and 2. Never ever do it separately. Of course, now it's session 5, talking about specific the third step. I will only pay attention to bring you be familiar with the third step. But in your own practice, please, it's a must. You will connect the third step always with step 1 and 2. Now, let's begin with Zhongtian movement. Ready? After step 1 and 2, you will bring your awareness to Niwan. You feel more and more qi comes to Niwan. You may have some sensation there, or you may feel nothing. Both are fine. When we practice, we are always be clear with the purpose. Right now, the purpose of the third step is to allow qi to nourish your Niwan, make the home for spirit strong, so that Niwan can merge with the universe well. The purpose is to merge with the universe with your Niwan. The easiest way to do it is that you send a light wish. Send this wish lightly. You want to invite the universe come to you to merge with your Niwan. In this step, Often practitioners have some sensation or visualization. They see colors, they see something. Always connect to purpose. What's the goal of this step? Merging to the universe. In case you could see something, what does it mean? What it means is not important. Overall, the purpose of meditation, the goal of meditation, is health, well-being, and happiness. You see color, you see nothing, it's the same. What makes you really a better meditation practitioner is that you can take the peace, you can take that comfortable space to real life. It's not what you see, it's not what you feel, it's not what you hear will make you different, will make you a champion. No. It's how long the peaceful state, how long that loving state is with you. Go to feel from Niwan, merging with the universe. A larger space, a loving place is right here, right now, with us. If this feels good, you continue. Until you don't want to practice anymore, you direct your awareness to Dantian. Dantian is the connecting point with Mother Earth. Always be well grounded. At the end of each session, and of course, at the end of Union of Three Hearts, you bring your awareness to Dantian. Then we finish the meditation with Zhongtian movement.